Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq100 and the Dow Jones30 futures charts. Let's get started here with the S&P 500. We currently find ourselves trading at 4,358 flat for the day, but with that, we were actually trading around 0.4% higher going into the open, and that was actually quite strange because we did get a PMI which come in stronger than expected. So I think many investors were looking to short the weakness as we went into that, short the strength as we went into that open. And if that was your strategy going into today's trading session, then it would have worked out rather nicely because the markets now are flat, as I just mentioned a few moments ago. So I think that's quite worrying that we have a PMI that's coming at 0.5 versus 0.3% expected. What does this mean going into tomorrow's CPI print? Are we going to see the same sort of story there? Of course, the Fed keeps a very close eye on both the PPI and, more importantly, the CPI. So we have to keep our eyes peeled there, because if we did get a higher than expected CPI, that would not be good for the markets initially, and I would expect bonds to rise, and with stocks having the opposite reaction, with them falling off ever so slightly. But again, we have had a very strong rally here over the past couple of days. I wouldn't be surprised if we did go and back test the 18th of August lows, as that was a previous resistance and could potentially act as a new area of support. But if we did get that low, then I would be a buyer. And as again, moving over to the Nasdaq100, we've successfully broken back above the 50-day EMA, which is very encouraging here. I think, again, as I mentioned during yesterday's video, I think the 0.786 fib area is going to act as a target point for the days to come, 15,400 that is. So that would give us another 225 points higher for us to climb as we close out this trading week. And then again, just moving over to the Dow Jones30, we've hit that 200-day moving average, both the EMA and the SMA, that is, and we have found resistance, which is expected. I think eventually we break above this, we go looking for the 50-day EMA, which sits at around 34,000. I think what's important to understand, team, is that I do see all these dips during today's trading session, and if we were to get another dip during tomorrow's trading session, I think that they would all be great buying opportunities as we work our way through the rest of the month of October. But I really like the setup here going into Q4. I think that there's lots of money-making opportunities on the horizon. On that note, guys, if anyone would like to join my trading signal group, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up. It's completely free of charge to join for your first month, and if you don't enjoy the service, then you can cancel at any time. I look forward to welcoming you all over on Telegram.